Hi, this is CA Gaurav Sabharwal from A-Team Commerce Academy, Indore. And in this video, we are going to talk about how an effective summary can take your LinkedIn profile to the next level. Let's get started. Welcome to Get Skilled. If this is the first time you're watching this video, let me tell you this is a regular segment where I talk about skills of today and tomorrow. It doesn't matter that you're a student or a professional, you need these skills to succeed over a period of time. But this particular video is a part of a series, how to build an effective network over LinkedIn. And this is the second episode. In our first episode, we've already talked about how these three components, the profile pic, the profile banner, and the headline should look like to make your first impression your best impression. And I've already got an extremely positive feedback from the active participants of this course that by bringing these three changes, they've already seen a lot of people trying to connect with them, and a lot of candidates actually looking for job have started getting noticed. And it's okay if you've missed the first episode, just click on the I button and you'll be able to see it. And if you've already not subscribed yet and want to see these videos on a regular basis, I recommend subscribing. Now, in this episode, we are going to talk about why a summary is so important in a LinkedIn profile. We are also going to talk about different components that should be there in your LinkedIn summary. And finally, we are going to talk specifics that if you are a student, a job seeker or a professional, what extra elements should be there. चलिए जी, तो सबसे पहले ये देखें कि summary important क्यों है. Imagine करें कि आप एक डेट पर जा रहे हैं and I believe you that you are an excellent person, very well mannered. और अगर आप उस रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर चप्पल और 3/4 पहनकर चले आते हैं और बिना दाढ़ी बनाए और बिना अपने बाल कंघी करे चले आते हैं, तो क्या लगता है आपकी डेट कैसी रहेगी? आई थिंक यू गॉट माई पॉइंट. इट डजंट मैटर हाउ गुड पर्सन यू आर, योर डेट इज नॉट इवन गोइंग टू वेट फॉर यू. और कुछ ऐसा ही आपकी लिंक्डइन की समरी के साथ भी होता है. एनीवन हु व्यूज योर प्रोफाइल हैज ऑलरेडी सीन योर प्रोफाइल पिक, हैज फाउंड यू थ्रू योर हेडलाइन and saw a very good visual impact through your banner. Now that person needs to decide whether to connect with you or not. And the first thing that person sees is your summary. It doesn't matter how the rest of the LinkedIn profile is, how amazing it is. If the summary is not good, that person is not going to go ahead and send you a connection request. In a nutshell, building connections are slightly difficult than Facebook or Instagram. At the same time, it shows your seriousness to build a close-knit network, and therefore a recruiter is not even going to see your rest of the profile if your summary is not good. तो अब अगली बात हम ये जानते हैं कि how are you going to write a proper effective summary for your LinkedIn profile. Now let's talk about the format. You need to make sure that it is a summary, right? Not a big story. It has to be short and precise. Make sure that the paragraphs are not too long, and wherever you think it looks good, use points instead of paragraphs to talk about yourself. Don't forget to mention whatever skills you've learned in your various previous job profiles and in your current job profiles, because this is your one chance to impress. आप ये भी बताने की कोशिश करें कि आप क्या वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन लेकर के आ रहे हैं उस पर्सन के लिए जो आपसे आप कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, वो एक अच्छा कंटेंट हो सकता है, अच्छे आर्टिकल्स हो सकते हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के ऊपर, या फिर इट कुड सिंपली बी योर गुड पर्सनैलिटी दैट पर्सन वॉन्ट्स टू कनेक्ट टू. आपके प्रोफाइल में ये शो होना बहुत ज़रूरी है that whatever you're studying right now or wherever you're working right now, that is actually your passion and that is something that you love doing. Let's also talk about how exactly you're going to write it or how exactly you're going to structure it. आप अपनी समरी कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे और कहाँ पर जाकर के ख़त्म करेंगे, कहाँ कंक्लूड करेंगे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप मैं आपको प्रोसेस बताता हूँ. So your first point is going to be generate interest. Now, how do you do that? One of the most effective ways to do it is talk about your passion. Talk about what really drives you to do whatever it is you're doing. And if you are a professional or a business, you can also talk about the mission, the long-term goals. A lot of profiles that I've seen also include some personal details or experiences that made them who they actually are. Now, this first line is going to make sure that the person who actually started reading your summary is going to continue reading it with interest. The second component of your summary should be a story. Now that story has to be obviously about you and not a fictional one, an actual life experience that you can share so that that person can read and understand wherever you've reached in your career or life, how did you got there? The third component is proof. Now, whatever story that you talk about, you should also accompany that story with awards, recognitions that you've got in your career or life. So obviously this is not something that every profile is going to have, but if there is any award or achievement that you've actually got in your life, please don't forget to mention that in your summary. And the last and the fourth component that should be there in your summary is call to action. So if you're a job seeker, you should mention that yes, I am seeking new opportunities and contact me on this and this number. If you're a businessman, of course you're going to leave your details or email ID so that a person can contact you. And if you're simply a student and looking to build a network, you can simply mention looking forward to connect with like-minded people, and you can leave your email ID, if not phone number, as a contact. नाउ ये स्ट्रक्चर सुनने के बाद भी मुझे पता है कि आप चाहेंगे कि कुछ आपके सामने सैंपल्स हों कि सर हमें दिख जाए कि भाई आपने जो ये 4 पॉइंट्स कहे हैं ये किस तरीके से प्रोफाइल के अंदर हमको दिखे. And like always, I'm going to attach a few samples in the description down below, and I'm going to link a few articles which have very good examples of summary, including all these 4 points. Now, unlike a headline, leaving a template is not a good idea, because at the end it is your summary and it is your story, and every story is different. But at least with this structure I just told you, you can write a proper summary. Now let's get down to specifics. What if you are a student and just looking to connect with like-minded people? You definitely don't have a lot of degrees in your hands because you are still a student, of course. So in your summary, you cannot focus on hard skills, not the qualifications. You can focus on your soft skills. You can talk about a story which made you, you. Even if you're a student, it does not give you an excuse not to write down a summary. Trust me, the moment you have a good summary, the rate with which you will get the connection request is going to increase substantially. Now let's talk about professionals, businessmen, or job seekers for that matter. Now for professionals and job seekers, your summary has to be short and sweet. You cannot include a lot of personal experiences and big stories about yourself. In your summary, try to include as many keywords as possible so that your profile comes up in search whenever a recruiter tries to find you. You can start writing your summary with how much total amount of experience you've gained since you started working. You can mention your current profile and responsibilities. Please don't write the entire job description, just a small part of it. Also, please don't forget to write all the skills that you've achieved. Keywords such as hard work, team player, efficient can go a long way. I'll mention a few examples in the description down below for your reference. Don't forget to mention your accomplishments and awards. One more important thing that I want to share is a custom URL. Now LinkedIn gives you this feature where you can have your own custom URL, a link that you can share with any recruiter on your resume. That will give your recruiter a direct access to your LinkedIn profile. If you've already not made a LinkedIn URL yet, then you should. Just go to your edit profile section, scroll down, and you'll see a custom URL option. You can simply write whatever you want to write, but writing your name is a very good option. And if you're a student, please don't mention your gaming ID in that. Try to be as simple and as professional as possible. It is a very small element, but it is extremely important because it makes it very easy for you to share your LinkedIn profile with anyone. And that's it for this episode. Now, if you're an active participant, you would be expecting a test very soon. Be thorough with the video and all the links that I've provided you in the description. And if you are not an active participant and want to become one and get a LinkedIn course certificate at the end of this course, please see the description on how you can do that. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to smash that subscribe button, like the video, and active participants, I want to see your attendance in the comment section. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.